Hey guys, we're at the zip tie drags. I'm making Charlie carry my camera gear. He offered. Anyway, we're about to head in there and check it out. Walking the staging area and check out this mail Jeep. This thing is crazy. That is seriously like the coolest. This is cool. It's Dodge 100.
It's like a 60.
That's really annoying.
2 probably. I don't know.
Yeah, that's really cool looking. I like that. This is Dom. This is his GTO. What engine is in it?
It's a Pontiac 400. It came out of 74 Grand Prix. I've got maybe $500 in the motor.
Really?
Yeah, it should make like 375, 400 horse. So,
that's awesome.
Yeah, we'll see what it does. For a giant pile of shit, it's fun at least.
Thank you all for coming out to Roadkill.
What's up? Look who I found.
Yay! We know each other in real life now.
We do.
It's exciting.
Very, very nice.
And it's rolling right now?
I got you guys honey. It's local honey.
Local honey?
Yeah.
Thanks, dude.
We understand
That's a sweet gift.
That's a real sweet gift, Sarah.
You're welcome.
We're at Roadkill Ziptie Drags, and I'm emceeing the event, and it's been real intense.
And it's so windy.
It's very windy.
I hope that thing works. Like, I'm so scared. I'm like, please get the sound, please get the sound.
Yes, I actually filmed her last year, and I filmed a bunch of footage, and I couldn't use any of it because it was so windy.
Really?
Yeah, it was really bad. So I hope this is working.
This Austin is pretty rad. I love these wheels. Wait, it's got a 2J? No, it's a 7M, isn't it? Somebody let me know in the comments. Is that a 7M? It's so windy out. If half of this video is unwatchable because of the wind noise, I'm really sorry, you guys. I have my biggest wind filter on. There's nothing I can do about it. What kind of camera do you have, sir? I want your camera. So I ran into a fan and he had me sign his valve cover for his truck. So you can say hi.
Hello.
That's awesome. My signature's on someone's engine.
They kicked us out of the line when they shut it down just now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were sitting there for like an hour almost.
Aw, that sucks. There is only one Leroy the Savage. How was the drive from San Diego with this?
Oh, it was, we definitely had earplugs in, and the seats aren't the most comfortable. How was the ride, Mike?
It's like, what, a 6-hour drive?
Yeah, still got like 12.5 miles a gallon.
Not bad.
Not bad.
That's crazy.
For a Power Glide and 3,000 stall tunnel around.
Yeah. It's like, yeah, man.
Yep.
That thing looks cool.
Now there you go. This is Roadkill. And again, whoa!
And now literally everyone is leaving.
Looks like they drew a sand rail racing.
It's sad.
Well, as you know, that most of this is drops, so pins are moving around some, so they are going to shut it down.
So we had to leave early, but it was really fun. It really sucks the weather didn't cooperate. The weather was actually pretty horrible today. It was just super windy and it started spitting rain and it kept blowing dirt on the track and they had problems with trying to sweep it up. So the weather just didn't want to cooperate. But anyway, this was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon with another. Bye.
For the whole summer.